Hello, Monu brother. How are you? I am good, Sonu. Today I went to Ricky's house. His grandma is coughing severely. His grandma is having asthma. What is asthma? Yeah, let me explain you.
Hello guys, how are you all? Today's topic is asthma. Asthma is an inflammatory disease of the airways to the lungs. It makes breathing difficult and can make some physical activities difficult or even impossible. To understand asthma, you need to understand a little about what happens when you breathe. Normally, with every breath you take, air goes through your nose and down into your throat, into your airways, eventually making it into your lungs. There are lots of small air passages in your lungs that help deliver oxygen from the air into your bloodstream. Asthma symptoms occur when the lining of your airways swell and the muscle around them tighten. Mucus then fills the airways, further reducing the amount of air that can pass through. These conditions then bring on an asthma attack. The coughing and tightness in your chest that is a typical of asthma. Let's get into the causes of asthma. No single cause has been identified for asthma. Instead, researchers believe that the breathing condition is caused by a variety of factors. These factors include genetics. If a parent has asthma, their children are more likely to develop it. Second cause is history of viral infections. People with a history of viral infections during childhood are more likely to develop the condition. Third one is hygiene hypothesis. This hypothesis proposes that babies aren't exposed to enough bacteria in their early months and years, therefore their immune systems don't become strong enough to fight off asthma and other conditions. Fourth one is early allergen exposure. Frequent contact with possible allergens and irritants may increase your risk for developing asthma. Now let's see the common triggers of asthma. First one is illness. Respiratory illnesses such as flu and pneumonia can trigger asthma attack. Second one is exercise. Increased movement may make breathing more difficult. Third one is irritants in the air. People with asthma may be sensitive to irritants such as chemical fumes, strong odors, and smoke. Fourth one is extreme weather conditions. Conditions such as very high humidity or low temperatures may trigger asthma. Fifth one is emotions. Shouting, laughing, and crying may trigger an attack. Now let's see the common symptoms of asthma. That includes coughing, especially at night when laughing or during exercise. Wheezing, a squealing or whistling sound made when breathing. And tightness in the chest, shortness of breath, and fatigue. These are some of the common symptoms of asthma. Now let's get into the treatment of asthma. Treatments for asthma fall into three primary categories. Number one is breathing exercises, rescue or first aid treatments, and long-term asthma control medications. Now let's see one by one. Breathing exercises. These exercises can help you get more air into and out of your lungs. Over time, this may help increase the lung capacity and cut down on severe asthma symptoms. Your doctors or an occupational therapist can help you learn these breathing exercises for asthma. The second category includes rescue or first aid treatments. These medications should only be used in the event of an asthma attack. They provide quick relief to help you breathe again. Examples include rescue inhalers and nebulizers, which are used with a medicine that needs to be inhaled deep into the lungs. Bronchodilators, which work to relax the tightened muscles in your lungs. And anti-inflammatories, which target inflammation in your lungs that could be preventing your breathing. And the third category includes long-term asthma control medications. These medications should be taken daily to prevent symptoms. Some rescue treatments such as inhalers and nebulizers can be used daily. However, your doctor will need to adjust your dosages. These are the things what you need to know about asthma. If you like my video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends and family members. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.